Oh, and there goes the drive shaft. Oh. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You got a little something hanging there, buddy.
Oh, it snapped the ears off this time.
Oh, yeah. It's not going back together. Let me show you what happened under there. That is not going back together without a yoke.
This is the worst place for that to be at, too.
All right, now show us how it's done. Come on there.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve, and today was actually a fun video. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed it because I like testing the capability and the max capability of everything that we got here. So if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, definitely check it out. We actually broke the U-joint twice. I welded it back together. We went back out for 4.5 more hours of abuse, and then that's where today's video picks up, the recovery and everything. Yes, my dryer just went off. I'm home doing laundry today, but that's where the video is going to pick up. So before we actually kick the video off, I want to actually ask a couple different things. So as you guys do know, this is a Dana 30 in the front and a 35 in the rear. Do you guys want to see me build up these axles and just see how much abuse these things can take? Or do we put like an 8.8 in the rear or a Chrysler 8.25 in the rear? Do lockers in it? Like, you guys let me know in the comment section down below. I want to see what this thing can do. I absolutely love the setup right now. It is super capable for being what I'm going to call the underdog of a truck and a build. But I also want to do content that you guys will enjoy too. So if you guys think, or heck, even we 1-ton swap it. Do we 1-ton swap it now? Maybe I'll go get some Ford axles and toss under it. Let me know in the comment section down below which way you guys want to see this thing and what you want to do. I could go either way with it. I could either put, you know, $1,500 into the axles, put chromoly axles in the front, put the locker in the front, put a locker in the rear, weld the rear. Whichever you guys want to see me go is the way I'm going to go with this thing. 1-tons, 8.8 rear, 8.25 rear, build up the stock 35 and 30. You guys let me know. I'm going to roll the footage, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. Unbelievable. My first time actually needing a winch, and well, you'll see why in a couple minutes here. Danny's so excited he gets a good thumbnail. I'm excited because once we get up over this hill, it's kind of flat ground. It's easier to come up than to try to go the whole way down. If I try to go down, I have like 2 miles of trail, then I have to go up. But if I go up, it's easier. Less throttle. Can you? Hold on, Danny, just stay there for a sec. Try to go forward, Danny. I'm gonna put your foot on the brake. All right, so at this point of the video, I went ahead, and the reason that I didn't just have Danny pull up, you know, 50 yards further, because yes, my winch cable could have reached, but it is a synthetic cable on here, and I didn't want the cable to be dragging over the rocks the entire time. I didn't want to put the stress on the synthetic rope, so just bear with me. Yes, Danny could have obviously moved, you know, 50 yards forward prior to this, and then pulled with, you know, one winch cable, and it got me completely up and over. But I didn't want to destroy the winch cable. I didn't want it to be dragging on the rocks the entire time. This hill was way steeper than it looks in the video, so just understand, yes, he could have been farther ahead. I didn't have a board or a tree or anything that I could lay the cable over, so I did it the way that I did it, so I didn't destroy the winch cable. So hope you guys understand that. Back to the footage. Brake. Go ahead forward, Danny. Don't yank, just go forward. Hold on, Danny. Stay on the brake. You're gonna have to winch to the back of your Jeep, Sean. Danny has a winch on the front. If you can pull it out. Go ahead forward, Danny. Right there. It's a hill right there. Off the brake. Oh, see, look, that's what I was afraid of. Danny's Bronco doesn't really weigh much. Oh, he caught kind of a good spot there. I should be able to get it up. There we go. Don't hit the gas at all right now. Brake. Go forward, Danny. Go forward slow. Stay on the... Keep going. Brake hard. No, this way, this way, this way. I don't know what I just recorded there. Probably nothing. That's good. Dang, Sean, I should have stopped the first time. Yeah, no, I just wanted to do it. You realize that's a hill I wanted to conquer since day one here. I actually don't know any of these guys. I'm in two-wheel drive, obviously, with the front being broken, so I kind of tried to rush it, and I feel bad for this guy. So if this guy ever watches me, I'm sorry that I tried to pass you on that hill, but I only have front-wheel drive, and I couldn't stop where we were. I would have been screwed. All right, let's get back to the office. Well, I guess this is where I say, hey, thanks for the recovery.
Redemption day?
Yeah, this was redemption. I had to save you last weekend, you got me this weekend. However, mine should be able to drive home.
Yeah, I mean, technically mine drove back to camp.
Yeah, yours made it to home base. I'm gonna technically drive home though, too. I hope.
You realize how big a piece of junk that I wouldn't drive this thing if it wasn't broken.
No. Yeah, that's what she was like. Well, just put yours on the trailer and tell him I'll drive the Bronco. I was like, no.
You can drive it.
No. All right, guys and girls, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Actually, I'll pick Bill to go up at the house. All right, guys and girls, well, we're gonna drive the XJ back. Obviously, I only have my front drive shaft. I don't have a rear drive shaft. We should be fine. Everything should be good. We'll just take it nice and easy and make sure we make it home safe. Sean didn't break anything after his 4 overheats. Danny didn't break anything today.
No.
Holy cow. Well, that's because you started later in the day. We were out there for 3 hours before you got here.
Whatever makes you feel good.
All right, guys, let's start the trek back home. We are over halfway home. I've got to give it to the old XJ, front wheel drive and all. She's plugging and chugging down the highways and byways. Engine light we ain't really worried about, but so far she's made it. I think I got one sleeping, one's crazy, and another one's sleeping. So We're just plugging and chugging. We should be home in about 35 minutes. Well, we made it. It actually drove pretty well on the way home. It's got a little bit of a stumble, which we'll figure out in a later video and all that, but we made it home front wheel drive only. So I don't know if you guys know or not, but you can drive these things in 4-wheel drive high down the highway. It's not good for it. I wouldn't do it all the time, but I wanted to drive home and I didn't want to have to go back up. So there you guys have it. I had a good day. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
They're all tired, and we actually didn't even go up till later. We went up at like 10 o'clock. Normally we're up there at like 8 o'clock. So they're still waking up. But there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video. All right, well, as you can tell there, it was actually the opposite side that broke. You can see the side over here that I welded. Those are actually my welds right here on this piece here. So the side that I welded actually held up. It was the actual top ear that did not want to take it anymore. But you know what? The truck made it home. I'm happy with the setup. I'm pleased with it. I'm excited that it made it as far as it did on what we have. I know that's kind of shocking and people like kind of hate that, but this truck is super amazing. So the front, the other reason why I want to go ahead and build something up, just ignore that wire there, is as you can tell here, the front pinion seal is starting to leak. So what do you guys say? Do we build this thing up? Do we put lockers in the front? Do we actually go ahead and put 410 gears in this thing? Do we go with a taller gear, 488s? Let me know in the comment section. I want to make this rig durable and be able to take the abuse that we're doing, and Rough Country's willing to work with me. So drop your comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please, if you did, like the comment. If you did like the video, please comment your ideas down below, and we will pick up in a video very, very soon. So take care, guys. Please subscribe. Assalamu alaikum. One love. I'll see y'all later.
Dun.